Let's talk about what stocks and ETFs are available through Robinhood. So through the Robinhood app, you're able to trade stocks and ETFs as well as options and cryptocurrencies 100% commission free. However, what you're going to find is that not every stock or ETF or investment that trades on a major exchange is available for trading on Robinhood. But the good thing is the majority of stocks and ETFs that people are looking for are available through Robinhood. So that being said, let me go ahead and cover what assets you're going to find on Robinhood. First of all, US exchange listed stocks and ETFs. Those are major companies like Apple, Google, Tesla, companies like that, and also popular fund investments like VOO or the Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund. You're also going to find options contracts for US exchange-listed stocks and ETFs. If you're looking to buy some basic call and put options and even some more sophisticated ones, those are available here on Robinhood, and we'll discuss those a little bit later. You're also going to see ADRs available, or American Depository Receipts, which is going to support trading for over 650 globally listed companies. So if you want to invest in some of these big companies that are trading outside of the United States, you may be able to do that through Robinhood if those companies are supported. That being said, you're not going to find the following assets on Robinhood. First of all, foreign domiciled stocks, select over-the-counter stocks. So basically, these are companies that trade on less desirable exchanges, oftentimes trading for a few pennies per share. So if you're looking for over-the-counter penny stocks trading for, next to nothing per share, you're not going to find those on Robinhood. However, I would caution you to stay away from those regardless, because penny stocks don't typically make for the best long-term investments. You're also not going to find preferred stocks or mutual funds on Robinhood. You're not going to find bonds or fixed income investments. However, you will find some bond investments through ETFs. So if you're looking for like a Vanguard bond ETF, for example, you're able to purchase that on Robinhood. You just can't purchase bonds directly. They also do not offer stocks that trade on foreign exchanges, but that's pretty common for most commission-free brokerages out there. And then some less common things here, you're not going to find closed-ended funds, limited partnerships, royalty trusts, tracking stocks, New York registry shares, or units on the Robinhood app. The good news is most of what people are looking for is available, but if you're looking for something specific and it's listed on this, then you may have to find a more sophisticated brokerage that may charge commissions, but they also will likely have a wider variety of assets available for trading.